Live from Ultimate Sports Cards in Las Vegas, doing a live box break of 09 Score Inscriptions football. 3 autos, guys. Bless you. Sound like you're sneezing there. Wow, they look like regular score. But they say inscriptions.
Oh, wow.
Brandon Stokely, Roddy White, numbered right there.
To 499. Holy crap.
Watch out, guys. I don't want to confuse that with a regular score set. Alright. Base cards. Rookie card, Chase Kaufman. Numbered to 999 million.
Oh, yeah.
Come on, give me some nice ink.
DeMarcus.
Dante. Future franchise. I sincerely doubt it.
Brian Braun, yeah, that's unlikely.
Sorry, guys, in Wisconsin, he's just not your future. Autograph. Quan
Cosby.
Cosby. Numbered.
To 799. Very limited.
It's a Bengal, so it's really not too promising.
Very, very limited.
He's this year's Andre Caldwell or something. Mike Wallace. I mean, the rookies are numbered. That one's numbered 50.
One off his jersey number.
Is it?
Yeah.
That's cool, but it's Mike Wallace. Forte, Jim Wilson, Gerard. Aaron Kelly rookie. $9.99.
Oh, man. Got some rare cards coming out here.
I need a Red Bull if I'm opening this. This is PJ Hill. Okay. That could be numbered lower.
$7.99.
Maybe not. Not a bad auto. PJ Hill.
How many autos you get?
Trey. I got one more auto coming.
Got
Hey, guess what? Another franchise.
Number to 100.
Another auto.
Another auto.
Chaz
Shillings. That ain't bad. He's supposed to start for the Raiders for what it's worth. Number to 499.
Oh, man. We just got lower.
Short. Yeah. The rest of these should just be packs. Josh Morgan insert. Number to 449.
499.
499.
Just
It was wishful thinking. Another 50 off that. Justin Tuck, Brandon Jones. Did I miss a rookie somewhere in there?
Number to 50.
So you get a rookie or a numbered or an insert in every pack. Flacco, Champ. Crabtree rookie.
Oh, that's nice.
What's that numbered out of?
Numbered out 999.
Ron McClain.
Yep.
Sean Green. You guessed it. $9.99.
I think that might be all your rookies. Oh,
Fonzo Smith.
I think you got a hot box.
You don't get a rookie per pack?
No,
Let's get 5. Well,
4.
So we did get a rookie hot box. Okay. Hakeem Nicks rookie. Ooh, Tyler Thick.
Number 20 of 30.
Number 30?
Number right. 30.
Heap.
BJ Raji.
Another rookie.
Aaron Rodgers, Palmer, Dominic Rhodes, Tyson Jackson card numbered to 499. I'd like to see what the regular boxes get. I mean, these rookies. Hunter can't play.
Number 999.
Rubisky.
Number 32.
32. A lot of strange numbering. 50. And our last pack. Tons of rookies, but let's see what we get. Macklin. Autograph. Dude, I almost missed that.
Gold.
Number 50. That was, I guess, for this product, I haven't seen any other open. That's probably what you would call a great box.
13.
4 autos, 13 rookies. A lot of numbered stuff. There you go. Thanks for watching Ultimate Sports Cards.